I'm studying Yiddish for my dissertation, and the summer program has been so much fun. I think what was surprising to me in terms of the language itself was how much I would be able to understand of it kind of through knowing a little bit of the cultural background, but also having experience with the Slavic languages. I speak Polish, Russian, and Ukrainian, and I found a lot of those components in Yiddish, which I was really grateful for. But what did surprise me, I think, was just how difficult it will be to master the alphabet. And so I think the more you kind of drag yourself through the reading when it's difficult, then the faster it will be, and the more you'll learn. So I found learning Yiddish really, really moving. Coming from Eastern Europe, coming from one of the places where Yiddish was really prominent, of course, before the war, I found learning it really moving. Yiddish is a really rich language for everything, right? You can say everything in Yiddish. And I think a lot of the time people tend to think of it as maybe, not a full language or something like that. And I think that's really important to correct, that it is a language for everyday life. And I hope one day to get to a place where I can speak it to my children.